Hi, Capcom 1 with more Wolfenstein Missions by Executor, and this time we will actually be beginning the second encounter portion of the game, which is level 3-1. Units 3 and 4 are the second encounter portion of the game, and in total there'll be 3 encounters and 6 units. But the current release has the first 2 encounters, which amounts to be the first 4 units of the game. So this is level 3-1, the Charnel House. And immediately we see a dead guard in a slimy area. If you can't guess what the main inhabitants are going to be, then you've obviously either not played much Wolf 3D or you've not played it very recently. Need a gold key for that. Uh-oh. I shot by accident and it alerted. Yup, it alerted some of those. Our old friend. For anyone who's played Wolfenstein 3D, the old friend, the mutant. Or as man would call them, ninjas. And in this game, not only do we have regular mutants, we also have fast-moving melee mutants. Those were used in Barry Christian's Atom Project as well. Do not let those fast-moving melee mutants get to you, because they will toast you in no time. And we have a much-needed machine gun. Let's see, mutants have killed all the Nazis. They want to be their own here. It's the dead of night, and oh, I've no chance with a mutant with no ammo. Mutant and no ammo is no chance. Well, I think melee mutants are slow enough to be stabbed, but regular mutants are not. No, in this bad, in Atom Project, melee mutants were slow enough to be stabbed. In this mod, it doesn't look like Executors affording such a convenience. Let me see. Not shown. It's a little inconclusive whether they're slow enough or not. But worse yet, melee mutants do not drop ammo. So this level is seems like a little bit of a love letter to E2M1, just like the first level of the game was to E1M1. With plenty, of course, to make it stand on its own. Yeah, see? Melee mutant, they touch you, they'll melee you instantly. Now, can I melee them back? Actually, the best way to test that is get them to come through a doorway. And see if... No, Executor does not let you melee the melee mutants back which makes it even harder because they drop no ammo and they use ammo. A secret is demanded. Not another melee mutant. Actually, I don't know. It might be possible to stab the melee mutant if you're against a wall. Because I could use desperately to find a way to save ammo here. In Atom Project, there was a way to kill the melee mutants safely. Here it doesn't look like there is. I mean, there was a way to melee kill the melee mutants safely. Here it doesn't look like there is one. Which means worse than ever, I need to find more ammo. In fact, I'm just gonna restart the level because maybe I wasn't using ammo as well as I could have been. I mean, I don't have exactly a shortage of ammo. I have 40 ammo before I even open the first door. I just need to remember with mutants around, don't waste none. I happen to remember the shotgun, but the machine gun was here. It's the melee mutants that chew up all the ammo. And the health too, if you let them sneak up on you. Come on, I don't need treasure, I need another source of ammo. There's still some mutants running around here. Including the dreaded melees. I dread them because they just chew my ammo up. Oh, okay. That's the room I need. The rifle will give me a... That's the room I need to get to quickly. I need a rifle. Because now I can one-shot all of those abominations. There's a secret over there, obviously. Oh, and more ammo. Nope, that doesn't give me the one-up. One-up's gonna be trickier to get. I still hear doors opening, which means there's still mutants around. But now I have what I need to fight them. Wonderful, the wonderful one-shotter rifle. Oh, and those death mutants too, figure. Almost all of those are pillows, but well, there ain't a pillow, there's a mutant. More ammo of all kinds. So this is like Eisenfaust 3.0 now. Long-time followers of me will know that I already used the term Eisenfaust 2.0 to define Atom Project's second unit. Oh, it's a maze. A maze of mutants. Like in E6M10. Perhaps it'll be nice enough that I can wait at the origin of the maze for them to come to me, or they're deaf and they just have to look around the corner. Yeah, I suspect there might be more deaf mutants, unlike an E6M10. Whoa! No, that one wasn't deaf. And I hear a door opening. Well, if they're coming from that direction, I can focus in that direction. Yeah, they're coming from this room. I got to say, mutants with the rifle are a wonderful experience. One shot, one kill, all the time. Yep, there was no column there. I figured there'd be a secret there. Yeah, I know there was gonna be some deaf mutants here. Melees. So pretty good. So far, you're pretty typical mutant-only opener of the mutant-themed unit. Oh, I see you down there. Come on, peek your head out. Those are really all barracks. Walk in. Be ready for deaf mutant anywhere. Any of these nooks could have one in it. Okay, there's no mutant there. Oh, there's a mutant. Melee mutant, but still, he'll get me fast if I don't get him first. Not quite as dangerous as putting a regular mutant in one of the nooks. Oh, that's a 1-up. And the switch. Whoa! I guess that's a good of a time as I'll ever find to pick up the 1-up. Got surprised by a melee mutant. Wonder what that switch does. Melee mutant behind me, and there's the shooting mutant, a regular mutant still somewhere in this area that was right there. And another one. Melee mutant I had no idea about. Figured there might be another one there. Those are the doors that don't use any of the keys. Steel section. Operation Eisenfeld is a totally different experience though when you have the rifle in hand. Whoa, the officer, but he's stuck in his prison. Even the officers are in a prison this time. When you think of all the enemy types, an officer would be least likely to be found in a prison cell. But, whoa, I just cannot get the first shot on that mutant. You have to be fast in that setup to get the first shot. Well, that's an open prison cell, but nothing in there. That one's got a meal. There's some food in there, though. And the SS appears to be stuck in their prison cell, too. Yep, the mutants take everyone as prisoners. Okay, well I can see the key, but I can't get there yet. So the mutants, everyone's a prisoner now. Oh yeah, the steel area. Oh, once again, mutant that always got to look for nooks. Okay, that door was opened by a switch, which has to be the switch I found in the secret. Even that has it has the look of a prison cell. Oh, I see. There's more SS waiting for me. The machine guns is good than SS as the machine guns about as good than SS as the rifle is because the SS don't get one shot dead. That's a lot of SS stuck in a much bigger than usual prison cell that was hidden away too. Oh, and my secret's gonna be a new weapon. If I can find it. Still a ways away. I still don't see what it is on the actual map. Oh, okay, keep forgetting. Some of those prison windows are open. Okay, that's a no key door that's obviously gonna open as a trap as soon as I grab the key. 3 quick shots are enough for 3 quick kills. You didn't fool me there, Executor. That was pretty obviously a trap set up. Nope, those connecting doors aren't open yet. I guess I'll just take the longer way back. Let's see if I missed anything. No traps opened on the way back for now. Okay, those doors need a switch. That door, those shortcut doors need a switch that I haven't found. And that's the wrong color door. Oh wait, the white key door I think was in the steel area. Duh. No wonder why I'm not able to backtrack yet, because I don't need to backtrack yet. I think the white key door was in the steel area, right here. And now I'll have a switch that will open those doors up. And there was another door nearby that wasn't keyed out. And yeah, there's my trap. I knew there was going to be a trap of some kind somewhere. And that's another white door there. Or silver door, actually. Looking at my key indicator, it's a silver door. Come on. You don't get a free pass just by walking outside. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Those 8 locked doors. Oh, and of course, I knew there were going to be mutants somewhere besides behind the locked doors. They're there. As there as ever. And now I've just got this obvious... Let's see if I can get anything to help me with this trap. Just treasure, huh? Now's about the time I'd like to have that chain gun. Okay. It's time to trigger the great trap. Peek out, peeking. Peek out, peeking. Yeah, who could not say that was a trap? And BJ gets to drink some blood. Well, actually it was 7 mutants. One of them is a med kit that I'll appreciate. Yeah, the rifle absolutely owns in this game against mutants. And really against enemies in general, other than the SS, because the SS don't fall in one shot. And that'd be a lot of elevators. That's a good one, but there's a mutant in it. Medkit, a barrel, just a broken elevator, another broken elevator, a dead gout. And now how do I get that chain gun? There has to be a secret somewhere around here. Yup, back into the steel area for my chain gun. Albeit I'm scouting levels from a pistol stout, so I don't get any use out of it, but it's a nice one for continuous. Almost 100%, just missing one secret. Well, let's die to go on a pistol stout and continue with the Maze of Torment. I wonder how much torment it will actually be. Well, at least we got the rifle right off the bat. Our good friend against the mutants. Still, mutants you don't see as dangerous as ever. Oh, remember, I'd please appreciate in the comments if you'd include what you think of each level at the end of each level. I don't think I said what I thought of the last level, but I definitely thought it was a good, not easy, even with the rifle, because of how easily you can get surprised by the mutants. Open now, your classic, almost mutant only open though to the mutant unit. And I like the sky color here, sort of a blue-green. This level's already giving me vibes of Floor 7 of Spear of Destiny with... I'm scouting in this blue stone area and I want to get into the Morsey area. Barry Christian did the homage to Floor 7 from Spear in one of his mods as well. Interestingly, Floor 7 of Spear of Destiny was not a mutant level. There's no mutants in Spear of Destiny until Floor 11. Oh, where is he? You're right there. Was not an Atom Project, the Billy Christian homage I'm talking about. So if you're wondering why you didn't see it in an Atom Project video, it's because it's not in that mod. Well, I can kill that mutant before he even knows I'm there. He never saw it coming. Now this is like anything like Spear, it's going to be an exit behind those brass doors. The Spear level is set up such that you start in the blue stone area, then you go into the Morsey area, but then the exit is back in the blue stone area. This time there's some prison too. I must say I really liked the prison in the last level. Mutants take even regular Nazis and either kill them or take them prisoners. Oh no, I get a brass key already. And this door's probably gonna open up. As is that one, leaving me in a... Yep. Well, there's only one mutant behind it. Well, there's a mutant behind the other one too, probably. Where'd he go? Here, he went over there. Yeah, enough. Pretty easy enough to guess that's a secret wall, although it's just treasure. Still, put some more money in BJ's pocket. And the blast doors were right back here. And now we'll get the silver key here that lets us into the... Okay, well, looks like that's screaming a mandatory push wall if I've ever heard of one. But it's... that's... I'd call it a pretty obvious one. Yes, of course there's a mutant wandering. Of course it's gonna say, "Das ist verboten!" But I'll push it anyways. Oh, I didn't know there was a room I hadn't explored yet. And I can get a little peek into the Morsi area. But I can go in the Morsi area now because I have the key for the silver key for it. Oh, okay. Another push wall that's obvious. And this time, oh, well, now we're looking at regular enemies. Okay, that reminds me of floor 20. Well, of course, the Morsi area, the separation between the blue area and the Morsi area reminds me of floor 7 of Spear and its tribute that Barry Christian made in another one of his mads. But pushing the wall to separate from the mutant-infested area to the other enemies reminds me of floor 21 in Atom Project, which was a really, really oppressive mutant level that nonetheless behind one of the locked doors had a push wall just like this that had regular enemies behind it. Any long-time followers of me might recall that level too. Well, we have a first bit of normal action in this unit out of the mutant-infested area for the time being. Oh, but those snipers returned too. When those SS around, I find... When those SS mixed in, I find the machine gun just as good much of the time. That's a nice balancing feature in my opinion, making the SS not go down with one hit from the rifle. It's called Maze of Torment, more like Mazes of Torment. Really, there's no one waiting for me here. Whoa! There was a deaf officer somewhere. Yeah, I could tell Death Guard was waiting there. Okay, those are all gonna be trap doors, I'm guessing. Of some kind. Either that or hiding a secret. I got behind one of the gold doors, but there's another gold door I need to get behind. And then get another one behind that one. Oh, whoa, someone got me good. That officer got me good. Yup, and some of those alcoves have death enemies in them. Others are not death. I need to save a little machine gun ammo at this point, though. So I'll use the rifle to save a bit of machine gun ammo. Yep, I knew there was one more SS in there. One of those gonna be a secret. Nope, we're both trying. Well, now I'm gonna let all hell break loose, probably. And I haven't even cleared the main area. Okay. Now, Billy Christian's level had mutants in the slime area. His tribute to Spear Floor 7 level, I mean. Not the level I mentioned where he used the push wall to separate mutants from non-mutants. Me run very low on health by taking a bunch of cheap shots. A little blood replenishing food will help. Whoa, it's quite a few SS I held down, but it's a good supply room as a reward for it. Oh. There's still enemies after me. Tough to keep tabs on everyone in mazes like these. But now there were the doors on the other side of the maze. That switch didn't open them? My oh my. Oh, but it did open this door. And there's still someone... Whoa! I was lucky that hit didn't hit me. Yup, another switch to open those doors. Oh, but move some wall. Open a trap right behind me first. Couple officers in the area. Oh no, only open one of those doors, but I know when the other ones are gonna open. They're gonna open like right. Let me plan an escape. Now! Those some mutants got in here. Melees. But some wait. See how quickly those melees can sneak up on you. Yeah, and they can come from other directions too. That's a tough trap with both kinds of mutants that can approach from different directions. But, alas, I got to have it to get my gold key. Which now I can explore further through the center with that gold key. Only 2 enemies left. If it was a Doom level, I'd be expecting an Outrial or a Cyber Demon or something like that, but it's not a Doom level. Okay, so we don't have elevators here, we have outs to walk in for exit, similar to level 1-2. Well, the regular exit of that at least. So yeah, aside from the fact that you never returned to the blue area, that was definitely a steel floor 7 damage. With the separating wall, I get some reminder of Barry Christian's use of that in an Atom Project level, and also for the silver key behind the blast door where you had to push the wall and you saw the silver key behind the static objects. That reminds me of E6M7 of the original Wolf 3D. One of the keys was like that. Thankfully, this level, while mazy, is a whole lot better than E6M7 of the original Wolf 3D, so we can be thankful for that. Anyways, next time we resume with this mod, we will be playing level 3-3, the Obiletuet. Almost sounds like a Quake name, but it's not Quake, alas. Looks like we got a new type of Morsi wall waiting for us as well. But this is Capcom 1, and I'll see you in my next video.